SABC Sport educates, informs and entertains.
When we've seen thousands of people flocked to the Durban Amphitheatre.
As a community, we really do need yoga in our lives.
They say yoga, wellness and sport go together.
When you start to excel in sports, you really need to do yoga.
We witnessed different style of exercising in the form of yoga.
And breathing techniques in yoga plays a major role.
Seeing is believing.
The
organizers had this to say.
Yoga is something that deals with your mind, body and your soul.
Some yoga fanatics lamented. Now we know yoga is for wellness and fitness.
Let us all unite.
Ensures that we cross all racial, linguistic and cultural barriers.
It is a healthy lifestyle. Brought to you by SABC Sport for the love of the game.